NLIU Bhopal is recognized as one of the leading national law universities in India. But why? So let's delve into the fascinating world of NLIU Bhopal. Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Law School Insights. And आज हम जानेंगे each and everything about National Law Institute University Bhopal. Established in 1997, NLIU offers a range of undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs. Talking about the undergraduate programs, NLIU offers BA LLB Honours and BSc LLB Honours which focuses on cyber security and related legal issues. और अगर seats की बात करें तो BA LLB Honours में there are 134 seats and BSc LLB Honours में there are 68 seats. अब अगर सीट्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी की भी बात कर लेते हैं. 50% सीट्स आर रिजर्व्ड फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी, 15% सीट्स आर रिजर्व्ड फॉर शेड्यूल कास्ट, 7.5% फॉर शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स, 27% फॉर अदर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस, 10% फॉर इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शंस. ये था वर्टिकल रिजर्वेशन. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हॉरिजॉन्टल रिजर्वेशंस. 30% ऑफ द टोटल सीट्स आर रिजर्व्ड फॉर वुमेन कैंडिडेट्स, 5% of the total seats are reserved for PWD candidates, and for NRI and NRI sponsored seats there are approximately 20 seats. Courses and reservation policy के बारे में तो जान लिया. अब बात करते हैं NLIU के कैंपस की. NLIU का campus size is around 47 acres and the facilities that are available in NLIU Bhopal are modern classrooms and lecture halls, extensive library with legal resources, hostel for students, sports complex and convention center. NLIU also emphasizes on research through its various research centers such as Rajiv Gandhi National Cyber Law Center, Center for Business and Commercial Law. The university also publishes its legal journals such as NLIU Law Review and Indian Law Review. अब अगर रैंकिंग की बात करें तो NLIU भोपाल को 2023 में 18th रैंकिंग मिली थी amongst all the law colleges in India and 2024 में it was ranked 21. और अगर फीस की बात करें तो NLIU भोपाल की फीस इज अराउंड 2.8 lakhs पर एनम. अब अगर फीस की बात हो ही रही है तो NLIU के प्लेसमेंट्स और इंटर्नशिप्स के बारे में भी जान लेते हैं. NLIU has established partnerships with various law firms, corporate legal departments, NGOs and various public sector undertakings. This network allows the students to gain experience in various legal firms and departments. और सिर्फ यही नहीं, there are pre-placement offers जिससे the students can secure positions after completing their graduation. और अगर placement statistics की बात करें तो every year 50 to 60% students secure placements in NLIU भोपाल. उनका highest package is around 18 lakhs to 30 lakhs और जो average salary होती है that is 12 lakhs per annum to 16 lakhs per annum. So this was all about NLIU भोपाल. अब तो पता चला ना why NLIU भोपाल is one of the leading national law universities in India. So if you are currently a student of NLIU Bhopal या आप NLIU भोपाल के alumni हो, do let us know your experience in the comment section below. And for more such content, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.